Hey everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video we're going to show you exactly how to get a CDL license in New Jersey in the year of 2026. Now if you've got your New Year's resolutions done and you're looking at that list and one of those things is making more money, getting a CDL license might be one of the best options for you. Did you know that an average truck driver, again average, makes about $75,000 a year? And if you're a little bit above average, that means you're going to be making more than that. So let's show you exactly the step-by-step guide on how to get your CDL license in 2026, especially if you live in New Jersey. So you can pretty much break down the entire CDL world into a three-step process. Step number one is going to be get your CDL permit. Now in order to get your CDL permit, you're going to have to go to DMV, pay whatever fee that they do have, and bring 6 points of identification with you. I would recommend going for the CDL Class A license when you go for your permit. That's going to give you the most options available for you, and you can drive the bigger tractor trailers like this one right over here. You can even drive Class B vehicles like this box truck, dump truck, or cement truck right over there. However, if you go for just the CDL Class B, then you're going to be driving all these smaller vehicles, and you cannot drive this big tractor trailer. So again, if making money is your goal, go for the CDL Class A. Now, if you're going to go for the CDL Class A, I definitely recommend passing 3 different written exams to get yourself a CDL permit. It's going to be general knowledge, air brakes, and combination vehicle. Once you pass all that, then you officially have a CDL permit and you can officially get behind the wheel. Now step number 2 is going to be complete the ELDT requirements. A bunch of letters, all that simply means is it's entry-level driver training. This is a federal requirement needed for anybody looking to get a CDL license, and you must go to an approved training school just for that. Now, if you just want to skip all the search, what school do you go to? Come to the best CDL school in the country here at Driving Academy. We have locations in Jersey, also all around the country. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, and we can guide you through this entire process. But pretty much on the ELDT, there's going to be a theory piece and a behind-the-wheel piece. So what does that mean? You're going to have to make sure that you're demonstrating enough safety knowledge to be able to safely operate a commercial vehicle. And then the behind the wheel, this is where you actually get behind the wheel and start driving the vehicle and building up those skill sets that you need. Because once you do that, now you're moving to step number 3, which is passing the CDL road test. Now the CDL road test might be one of the most difficult tests you've ever taken in your life. It takes about 2.5 hours to complete, and it's broken down into 3 main steps. Step number 1 is going to be pre-trip inspection. How to inspect both the inside and outside of the vehicle. There you're going to have to inspect about 90 different items and memorize an exact word-for-word script that we're going to show you here at Driving Academy. Step number 2 is going to be parking. Here you're going to have to know how to park the vehicle up to 4 different ways. And then step number 3 is going to be driving the truck on the road. So if you're looking to drive manual, we have to teach you how to do that safely. And if you're not, you have to know how to actually operate a huge tractor trailer on the road safely while following all the road rules as well. Once you've completed all of that, congratulations! You now get to walk away with your CDL license, and now it's time to get you on the road to freedom. Now freedom to us means we're going to give you options. Options to find what type of career you want to go with our lifetime job placement program. And once you start working, you're going to start making that money, and now you finally have options in your life to decide where you want to live, what kind of car you want to drive, because with more money, you're going to get more options, and the more options you have, the more free you actually feel. And that's our mission here as a company, to get 1 million people just like you on the road to freedom, and getting a CDL license is one of the best ways to do that. So if you are interested in getting yourself started this year in 2026, make sure you click on the link below, visit our website, and find a location near you. We're definitely dedicated to help you out. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.
If you want to get your CDL, Driving Academy is here to make that process simple. We'll help you pass your permit, train behind the wheel, and prepare you for real-world driving with days and night classes 7 days a week. Start with only $500 down with interest-free payments and get lifetime job placement assistance to help you get hired fast. Visit cdldrivingacademy.com and let's help you get started on your road to freedom today. If you like this video, I know you're going to love this one too. And of course, subscribe. And if you're ready to get started, click on the link below.